well. Alright guys, this is the homework check video for the worksheet. It's 11-1, and I think this is the practice I gave you first. It says practice. Problems 1 through 9, I think. Okay, so I think today it makes today Tuesday, May the 19th. Alright, here we go. So the first problem is a square root of 28. I did the factor tree and got 2 times 2 times 7. I looked for pairs of common factors. There was 2 2's. 1 2 comes out front. The 7 stays in for 2 to the square root of 7. Number 2, 40, factor tree. 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. There's 1 pairs of 2's. That 2 comes out. Remember, one number. If you have a pair, one of those numbers comes out, the other one goes away. So one of the 2's comes out. What's left behind here is 2 and 5. So 2 times 5 goes back together to make 10 under the radical sign. So 2 to the square root of 10 is our answer. Number 3, square root of 72. My factor tree was 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. You have a pair of 2's, so 1 2. Pair of 3's, so 1 3. 2 times 3 makes 6. There is a square root of 2 that stays under the radical sign. So I got 6 square roots of 2 there. Okay. Number 3. Number 4, square root of 99. That's 3 times 3 times 9. You got a pair of 3's. That comes out front. The 3 comes out front. 11 stays in right there. 3 square roots of 11. Pretty easy. Number 5. I got square root of 2, square root of 10. The square root of 2 times square root of 10 makes square root of 20. Then we're going to make a factor tree. You got to put these together first and then take it apart in the factor tree. 2 times 2 times 5 makes 20. You got a pair of 2's. The 2 comes out. 5 stays in. 2 square roots of 5. Number 6. 5 times square root of 6 is 300. 300 is 30 times 10. That's 3 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 5. That makes a pair of 2's, a pair of 5's. 5 times 2 out front makes 10. That's where the 10 comes from. And this little bitty 3 that's right here did not have a partner, so it didn't come out, so it stays under the radical sign. 7. Alright, so I regrouped this one, multiplied the radicals together to get 25. You know the square root of 25 is 5, so 5 times 3 is 15. I mean, I didn't go through the partners at the time and everything. Number 8, 6 times 4 square roots of 24. I rearranged them, used commutative property, multiplied the radical signs together. 6 times 24 is 144. Square root of that is 12. You know that. 12 times 4 makes the 48 answer. Number 9. Again, change the order. 2 times 3 makes 6 out front. 3 times 5 is 45 inside. Then we need to check the 45 and make sure it can't be broken down. It can be broken down because there's a pair of 3's. So pull one of the 3's out with that 6. 6 times 3 is 18. The 5 is left over, so it stays under the radical sign. 18 square roots of 5. I think that's all for today. Go ahead and check this out. Make sure everything's right.